Hi, this is Handy TF. This video is showing you how to fix this copper pipe leak in 15 minutes. We will use this slip coupling. It is a push fitting. You can get it from any local hardware store. Make sure that you get the right size. The most common sizes are 3/4 inch and 1/2 inch. It comes with a disconnect clip. The first step is to find the leak and mark its location. Then shut off the water to the home and drain the pipes at the lowest point, for example, in the laundry room. We will use this rotary pipe cutter for the tight space. Cut out about 2 inches section of the pipe on both sides of the leak. Deburr the end of pipe to remove all the debris and sharp edges, so that it will not cut the O-ring inside the fitting and cause the leak. Mark the insertion depth on both ends of the pipe, identify the slip end of the fitting and then push this end onto one of the pipes as far as needed. Line up the second pipe with fitting, and using disconnect clip on slip end, and slide the coupling back over the second pipe, until it reaches the depth mark. The repair is now completed in 15 minutes. Please like and subscribe. Thank you for your time, Handy TF.